This is the first video for the Install SEO WordPress video course. In this video I'm going to show you where you can get your WordPress installation files, how you can download it on your desktop and unzip it and get it ready to upload to your server. Pretty basic stuff. A lot of you already know how to do this, but for those that don't know, I'm going to go over this right here in this video. So let's go to WordPress really quick. I'm going to type in WordPress into Google. Then you're going to click on wordpress.org. Here you're going to see the download link right here. Okay, just click that. Here's the button to download the latest version of WordPress to the zip file. Okay, so you can click that. I'm going to click save, and I'm going to save it into my WordPress demo folder that I just created specifically for this video. Okay, I'm going to save it. I'm just going to wait till it downloads. There it goes. Now I'm going to open it, the zip file, with my software, the WinRAR, to unzip it. Okay, I'm going to click the extract to. Okay, there. I unzipped the WordPress installation files, and now I'm going to go into that folder where I got it. One moment. Okay, here I am in the folder where I just downloaded the WordPress files, and I unzipped it. And if I click on here, this folder that I just got unzipped here, see there are all the files, WordPress files that you're going to have to upload to your server and edit to. So you're going to see two files here, license and readme file. You're going to click on the readme file, and here is very simple installation guide. It's called the famous 5-minute install. Okay, so let's go over this really quick here. Unzip the package, which we've already done. You're gonna have to open up the VP wp-config-sample.php file with the text editor and fill in your database connection details. Some people don't know what database connection details are and how to create a database on the server. So I'm going to go over this really quick right now. I'm going to log into one of my cPanels where I'm going to install this demo WordPress, and I'm going to show exactly how you can create a database, a user, and how to add that user into the database. Okay, just one moment. I'm going to pause this video for a second. Okay, here I am in one of my cPanels, and here it's really easy to do, to create a database and all that stuff that you need for WordPress. So what you're gonna do is search for this icon and the link MySQL database. You're gonna click on that, and you're gonna see this screen right here. Okay, and what you're gonna have to do is create a new database and create a user, and then you're gonna add the user to the database. Okay, that's required to do. So let's create a new database. For example, for WordPress, I would say WB. Okay, WordPress blog. I'm gonna create a database, and it says added the database. Okay, database created. So go back. Okay, now we have created database, and now I'm gonna create a user. Let's say, for example, WordPress admin. Okay, and I'm gonna choose a password here. This is a demo blog, which I'm gonna delete later, so for now I'm gonna just put admin. So password is admin. I'm gonna create that user. Click create user. It says account created. Okay, go back, and now it's a very important part which a lot of people miss, and I'm gonna you're gonna scroll down and see here add users to your databases. Okay, so what you're going to do is choose your username, and then you're going to click to choose database, and that's the only ones we have. And then you're going to click privileges. You want to click them right here, privileges all, and then add user to the database. That's it. Now account edit to access list. Okay, so what's important that we need to know is the current the database name, the username, and remember the password that you that you created here, which we did admin for this example. And now we can go and open up the file that was mentioned right here, the wp-config-sample.php file. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the folder and find that file and open it. Okay, here I'm back in that folder. Here's the file, wp-config-sample. Okay, I'm gonna open it up, and you're gonna see something like this. Okay, MySQL settings, and you're gonna fill in your details right here. You can see database name, database user, database password, database host, that you don't have to edit. Most 99% of the time it's always the same local host. Okay, so you don't have to even edit that. So what you're gonna put in here is the database name, database user, and the database password that you just created. Now I'm gonna go back to my cPanel. Okay, back in the cPanel, what you got to remember is that the name of your database is this entire thing with the prefix. Okay, that's probably the username that is to your server, to log into your server. So as well as here, a username is this entire thing. Okay, I know that when we were creating the username, we just typed in